Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete permanently your Instagram account. Once you open your Instagram, just tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap the three horizontal lines on the upper right. Select settings and privacy. And then select account center. And then select personal details. So you will see here account ownership and control. Just tap that one. And then you will see here the activation or deletion. And then you have to select the account that you want to delete. And then click delete account. So deleting your account is permanent. Tap continue. And then find a reason why you want to delete your account. So you can choose anything from here and then tap on continue again. So it says here, before you permanently delete your account, you might want to take a look at these articles in your help center. So if none, just tap on continue. In here, you'll be needing to enter your Instagram password to confirm the deletion. And that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.